Hi, so this is gonna be a really fast, practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything. And yeah, by practical, I mean that I'm just gonna be giving you guys the step by step on how to actually be consistent instead of giving some motivational stories that might make you feel motivated for like 5 minutes and but then like 10 minutes later the motivation has gone and you basically don't do anything. And you know what? I don't think like I'm on a position where I can give some motivation either. Okay? So, hey, this is February 23rd, 2025, and this is gonna be day
Mhm.
230 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing our positive things is that because we don't know when are we going to be doing it. We only say to ourselves that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing it, after school. And then after school we say, oh, I'm kind of tired. I'm just, gonna relax a bit, scroll TikTok for 2 hours, and then we say, oh yeah, I'm just gonna be doing it after dinner. But then, dinner comes and we say, oh, I'm pretty busy. I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow. The same cycle happens and again and again and again, right? So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is we want to set a concrete time, a specific time when are we going to be doing our thing. Okay? So how do we actually achieve this? One of the best way to actually achieve this is to just set on an alarm, right? Set on an alarm on our phone. But we don't want to just, make the alarm goes beep 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 beep, okay? Because it's you know I'm not saying that it's bad, but there's gonna be a better way, okay? There's gonna be a better way to set on this alarm, okay? So instead of just having beep 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 as our alarm zone, we are gonna be changing the alarm zone. So actually, I'm gonna be giving you guys some choices that you can make. Three choices, actually, three references. I don't know, just three options. You can implement it. Just pick the one that you like. Okay. Firstly, we can change the alarm zone into some motivational song that we really resonate with. Okay, or maybe we can change it into some motivational speech by one of our best motivational speakers. Okay, but then thirdly, we can also change the alarm zone into our own voice recording if we want something that's more personal, right? The voice recording of us telling ourselves to actually do the thing. Okay? So I don't really recommend the last method because I actually implement it myself and I kind of cringe, okay? Cringe listening to my own voice recording. So I ends up, just shutting down the alarm before the alarm even rings, okay? Because I kind of cringe. I kind of feel like it's pretty cringe to listen to my own voice recording. So I don't really recommend the third method, okay? The first and the second method is okay. It's great, okay? So the thing that we wanted to be doing here, the thing that we wanted to be creating here is we we remind ourselves of the reasons why we do that thing on the first place, okay? Because the motivational song, the motivational speech are going to remind us, right, about why we do this on the first place, okay? Well, because it's motivational, it gives us reasons, right, why we do it. Okay, so for example, one of my favorite motivational music is from the Dragon Quest series. It's called Traveling with Friends. So basically that music, right? That song just reminds me of, life is full of adventure. Life can be, just a wonderful journey if I just choose the right way, if I just choose to be consistent at doing positive things. And basically every single time I listen to this music, I kind of like being reminded of my reasons, okay, of how this world could be just something beautiful, okay, or at least it could be something beautiful if I just try to improve my life on a day-to-day basis and follow the reasons, my cause, okay. Okay, so basically, by setting on an alarm zone that could evoke some emotion, by reminding us about our reasons, we are gonna be making the probability of us actually still doing the thing higher. Okay, we are gonna be making the probability of us consistently sticking to that thing higher. Okay, because when we are motivated, we're gonna be having a bigger tendency, a higher tendency on actually doing that thing. But the thing here is that even when we set on our alarm like this, there are still gonna be days where we still don't feel like we are motivated. Even after we listen to the alarm zone, even after we listen to the um, you know, motivational song, motivational music, motivational speech. Okay, motivational speech. But that's still gonna be okay because relatively our probability of actually still doing the thing is gonna be higher. Okay, and even on the days when we don't feel like we are feeling motivated, even after we listen to the alarm zone, the the probability of us actually still doing the thing is gonna be higher. Why? Because here's the thing, even on those days, we are gonna be thinking like, you know what? I don't feel like I'm motivated today. I'm not motivated today. But this music kind of reminds me of my reason. Okay? And I really, really know that my reason is something that's really important. For example, oh yeah, I do not want to waste my life not doing the thing that I supposed to be doing. So, you know what? Even though I'm not feeling motivated today, even after listening to the music, even after listening to the motivational speech, motivational music, you know what? I'm still gonna be doing it anyway because yeah, that's the right thing to do. Okay? So even when you don't feel like you're feeling motivated after you listen to the music, the probability of you actually still do the thing is gonna be higher because you're being reminded, right? Of your reasons. Okay, so that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also join our Discord. And yeah, for the date authenticity post for today's video, Mimzar posted a Microsoft post last 24 hours. Yeah, bye bye.